We brought you a selection of inspirations to set up a green corner in any part of your home. Even for those who live in little space, you can set up a corner with little plants to call your green corner. Beautiful, but also help to recycle the air that enters the house. If you have a balcony and want to enjoy the space, see this inspiration using pallets. You can have a charming vertical garden with this cheap panel to make, and see also these works with wooden boxes, fair boxes. The boxes just one on top of the other. You can place your favorite plants, choosing to leave in a rustic way, only with varnish to give protection or the color of your preference. A simple wooden table can also hold several vases or even mugs. Already thought about using the window grills to fix the plant pots? Be nailed to the wall or suspended. See how simple it is to organize a green corner in your home. Now you have no more excuse for space to accommodate your plants. We hope you liked the tips. Share this video with your friends and leave your like. If you are not registered yet, sign up and stay on top of the news, and we post videos daily for you. I wait for you in the next tip.